Hello everyone, welcome back to L-Dubs Investing. If you're new, welcome to the channel guys, and if you're not, thank you for dropping back in. In this video today, we are talking cryptocurrency. We are talking about JPMorgan apparently trading digital bonds on the blockchain. We're also talking about the Brave browser taking on Google and so much more. Stay tuned. Welcome back everybody to L-Dubs Investing. On this channel, we do daily videos on cryptocurrency, stock investing, and so much more. Great value. If you like this content, like and subscribe. It is absolutely free. Let's jump in. Having a look at the market today, guys. Let's jump in. Bitcoin, 34,000, Ethereum just over the $2,000 mark. We have altcoins in the green, two selected dark green today. Was that the bottom? Everyone thought BTC was going to 25,000. Is it going to 25,000? Bitcoin is massively will do whatever it wants to do. It does normally the complete opposite that everyone thinks it's going to do. What are your thoughts on this? Let's get into it. Alrighty, big news of the day. Goldman Sachs reportedly started trading on the JPMorgan's repo blockchain. Goldman Sachs reportedly traded digitalized treasury bonds for JPMorgan's coin on JPMorgan Chase's UNC's blockchain platform. After 6 months of eyeing JPMorgan Chase's custody blockchain service for repo markets, Goldman Sachs has started trading on the platform. Mathew, head of digital assets for Goldman Sachs Global Markets Division, confirmed the first transaction dated June 17th in an interview. In the trade, Goldman Sachs swapped a tokenized version of US Treasury bond for JPM Coin, JPM Morgan's digital pegged stablecoin. JP Morgan started its private blockchain service to drive efficiency in repo agreements last year. The platform uses JPM Coin to swap decentralized United States Treasury bonds. Goldman Sachs was one of the first institutions to notice the platform. Last year, mentioned the efficiency of JP Morgan's blockchain-based repo market service, saying that enterprise blockchain can address a real-world problem in the financial system. We pay interest per the minute. We firmly think this will change the nature of the intraday marketplace. Guys, this is absolutely huge news. If you don't think this is huge news, you need to read this article again. Come over to Cointelegraph, have a look at it. This is absolutely huge. One of the biggest banks in the world and in America is going to the blockchain. They are looking at digital bonds and equities. This is absolutely insane. Huge news, absolutely full-on bullish, guys. Have a look at this. Let's get on to the next one. All right, Brave takes aim at Google with privacy-protecting search engine beta. Brave hopes users will want to search the website without being tracked. Crypto-powered web browser Brave has branched out into the world of search with a new privacy protection beta search engine. The platform aims to take on the likes of Google, which harvests personal data and browsing habits while serving up targeted ads and tailored search results. But it faces an uphill battle against the tech giant, which accounts for more than 90% of the market. In an announcement on June 22nd, Brave stated that it had launched Brave Search Beta built into its browser, offering users the first independent privacy search browser alternative to big tech. When we are ready, we will explore bringing private ads with BAT revenue share to search as we've done for Brave user ads. Are you a fan of the Brave token? I know I have got a small stash away of that. I think it is a great project. Let's take on Google, guys. This is what this is all about. You know, Wall Street bets. This is all about getting behind the little guy, supporting where we can. Check this out, guys. Are you excited? Do you use the Brave browser? Let me know. Let's get into it. Okay, Bitcoin heading for the worst quarter since the start of the 2018 bear market. Bitcoin appears poised to post its second weakest quarter since the start of 2014. Bitcoin is poised to post its worst performing quarter since 2018. The current quarter is also on track to be the second worst on record for BTC in almost 8 years since 2014. According to a CryptoGator aggregate, Bitcoin is currently down nearly 46% for the quarter, the weakest quarter since Q1 of 2018, when it shed approximately 50% of its value over the 3 months and fell out of the 2017 all-time highs. Since the start of 2019, Q2 2021 is just the fourth quarter that has seen a drawdown from the Bitcoin value, with BTC price falling roughly 10.6% during Q1 of 2020, 13.6% in Q4, and 21.5% in Q3 2019. In my opinion, a side note on that, guys, this is all part of the wave. This is all normal. If you've been in crypto long enough, this is all part of the trend. This is just the shakeout before the next wave, guys. Not financial advice, but hey, if you follow what happened last year, you know, it certainly does rhyme. It doesn't follow exactly, but it does rhyme to what it normally does. This is all part of the wave. This is normal. We're going to get into the next wave soon. Do we touch down to 25,000? Maybe. That is definitely on the cards. But hey, you need to have the diamond hands, guys, and that's what you need to look at doing. Don't get scared. Stay in there. Hodl all the way. It's exactly what I am doing. On to the next one. Hedge fund that shorted GameStop closes as 1.13 billion GME stock offer completes. GameStop has completed a stock offering worth nearly 1.13 billion to fund growth, while a hedge fund that incurred losses from shorting GME is closing down. One of the hedge funds badly burnt in the infamous GME social media-driven short squeeze is closing down, while GameStop itself has just completed its $1.1 billion equity offering. According to Financial Times, London-based White Square Capital operation has closed its main fund and will return capital to investors. While Square Capital reportedly had 440 million in assets under management at its peak, the hedge fund was one of the many that suffered double-digit percentage losses from short positions in January, with the Wall Street Bets subreddit helped pump GME price from $21 in January to around $345 in January 27. There you go. Once again, this movement can't be stopped. You can see this is causing all sorts of damage to the guys that always win. This is absolutely ridiculous. Get behind this movement. I think this is a great chance to have a look at this. That's one hedge fund down. Don't let them squeeze out the little guy on this one, guys. Get involved. Get into it. Get commenting below. What are your thoughts on it? On to the next one. Biden's nominee for Treasury Department will prioritize crypto regulations. Brian said he would push for implementation of an Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2020, including new regulations around cryptocurrency. Brian, President Joe Biden's nominee for Undersecretary of Treasury Department Division on Terrorism and Financial Crimes, said he would prioritize implementing new regulations around cryptocurrency. In a Tuesday hearing of the Senate Committee on Banking, Housing and Urban Affairs, Nelson said he would be focusing on anti-money laundering regulations if they were confirmed for the position into Treasury Department's Tourism Financial Intelligence arm, adding that cryptocurrency would be particularly a priority. Great news on this. If this happens, depending on what it is, we need regulations. It's not something that everyone wants. This is what I want, because then everyone gets involved. We all know what's happening. We have clear direction. All the big guys can get involved. Then we can see the prices, where they lie, where they're at, and we can see that ultimate adoption. We might not all want this, but look, this is my opinion. This is great for the market. Regulations is definitely necessary, so we all know what is happening, especially the guys with the big money. Remember, we're the retail guys. We're the small investors. No one really cares about us. However, the big funds, the big money, it is waiting for clarity. Once we get that clarity, we are away, and it is all on, guys. On to the next one. Thanks everyone for sticking around towards the end of the video. And if you don't mind, you like this content, you want more crypto, you want more stocks, you want more comedy, like, sub, absolutely free. Speaking of free, check out the pinned comment to CoinSpot and Coinbase, guys. This is what I'm using. If you use the link, you do get some free Bitcoin to start things off. Check out the link to stake if you're wanting to get a free stock. Start your portfolio off on the right way. You don't get it unless you use the link. Check out the link. There's also some other goodies there that you might be interested in, guys. See you next time.